how are you? We just got back from Target. We got a few things I wanted to share with you. My brother's moving in this weekend, so we just kind of went and we picked up some things that we needed. We're going to be shampooing our carpet downstairs in the room he's moving into, so we bought a new carpet cleaner. And look at it, it's got a little Indie on it. I've never seen a product with a Dalmatian on it. I'm so excited. But I wanted to share some of these Target finds with you guys because I'm not wearing it, but I found a shirt the other day at Target. I'll throw a picture up of me wearing it right here. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. My friend Stephanie, I think her screen name is Stephanie.K.ww. She's one of my really good friends on IG, on Instagram, and we talk all the time. And she inspired me because of this shirt to go pick one up, and I didn't find this one the other day. She was wearing this one. Isn't it so cute? It's just a graphic tee from Target. Super fashionable. I got it for I got an extra large and it was only $12.99. The Rolling Stone one that I got, or like the Kiss one, whatever, I think it's Kiss, the Rolling Stone, whatever, was $14.99. so they're really good in price. And I got this. I've been really wanting this. This is a makeup item. This is Physicians Formula X, I'm so sorry I don't know her name, Wiley Hung. I don't know, she's gorgeous. Check her out. But you get 2 bronzers, 2 blushes, and 2 highlights for 15 bucks. One of these bronzers in the pan that I'm obsessed with is I think it's like 15 bucks or like 10 at least. So this is a huge deal right here. My favorite thing ever. Another really good find that we found was this rug. It was like $29 or $34, one of the two. But it's a Project 62 rug. It's really big. So cute. And another thing that I love from Target are their hangers. These are the Room Essential ones. I picked up 3 of these and they're an 18 pack. They're just really good. I like them a lot. They're super cheap. They were $2 and I feel like they hold my clothes really well. So I really love them. And I was telling my Instagram today how like awful I am with clothes, and I have a full basket of clothes that just need to be hung up because I ran out of hangers. Okay, and then some bathroom essentials. We found these towels. They're the Opal House, sorry. This brand right here. We picked up black because we don't have any black towels, and my brother's moving in, like I said, so we picked him up 2 towels. They're nice and big. I'm 5'11". No, I'm 5'9", 5'10". I'm 5'10", and they fit me pretty well. I've always had issues though down here, like it doesn't completely cover because I'm still a little big, but super nice, $5.99. They do have bigger ones than this too for $10. So yeah, so we picked up 2 of these for my brother, and then we got him this. We cannot live without this now. This is you probably might have one in your home, but this is a cushion bath mat. So when you step out of the shower, it absorbs all the water, and we usually get a new one every like month or 2 just because I'm sure they get nasty, you know, and I just like having a fresh one. This one is only $5. I think you can even get them at like Walmart, the dollar store. Like they're really inexpensive, you guys. Some more detergent. And then for food, I picked up some Cinnamon Toast Crunch to make. I've been making my French toast, and I've really wanted to make it with French Cinnamon Toast Crunch because I had been making it with Rice Krispies, but your girl loves Cinnamon Toast Crunch, so I had to pick those up. I got some eggs because I'm all out, and I've been craving my little mixture with my hash browns and the egg, and so bomb. I've been eating these a lot on my weight loss journey actually. The pre-portioned bag of Doritos, nacho cheese, Doritos, Cool Ranch Doritos, Cheetos, whatever it may be. Just get the big bag because Jason also eats them with his lunch, and it's a nice snack. They're usually 4 points. Some of them are 5, but they're usually 4 points, so it's so nice. You could have that in a sandwich. And I grabbed some more milk, and the best part of the whole trip, I found some Sprite Zero. I love Sprite Zero. That is it, you guys. I got Jack some more treats. Okay, you guys, that was my little Target haul. Look at this cat. You're a hoot, little man. Look at you. Look at them cute little paws. I love you. You're so handsome. So this rug, I believe, is actually the same brand as that one, and it's so nice, you guys. Jason's mom got us this one for Christmas, but we seen this one and I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but we originally were gonna put it downstairs. Got some new jet dry refill stuff because our floors needed to be mopped like yesterday. That you guys liked my little Target haul. I love Target. Like I said, the graphic tees, they are a little, they're not that pricey. Like I wish that they were $5, but you do get what you pay for. So it is a very nice shirt. It's only $12, like $12, $13. But the other one is $15, but they're worth it, I promise. So thank you. You too. Got a grande pumpkin cream comfort. Yeah. Okay. I love that it's kind of like mixed in because honestly, oh my god, it's so good. Hi friends. So Danielle has a story for us. So we decided to be healthy and go to Chick-Fil-A and try out the whole thing going around, you know, with the grilled nuggies and pickles, extra pickles and sauce. Okay, so we go through, we order our chicken and we ask for 2 sides of extra pickles. So I open the bag just to make sure. You're never gonna guess what's in the bag. 2 pickles. So then the best part. So then I continue to look at Brittney's, and her thing is 2 pickles too. Don't you worry, I got 2. Well, so I got 3. And then I was like, we need more pickles, please. I need another thing of more pickles. She was super nice. Not at all. You? No, you were nice, but the lady's like, yeah. So then the guy hands out the window. Here's your pickles, ma'am. 2 more pickles. That's it. And Danielle's like, I'm done, and just like drove off. I was like, I literally laughed at her and was like, is this a joke? She did. I just drove and then we just sped off. We're like, but any Hoosier, we're gonna try this. Okay, guys. So here I have the barbecue sauce. This is 2 points. Oh, this is so hot. And I have the sweet. Sorry, you can't see it because of the way my phone's set up. But the sweet and spicy sriracha I'm gonna put in it. But what you do is you just put the whole barbecue in here. Obviously, if you guys have had this, you probably know. And you're supposed to use mustard too, but I love mustard, but like Danielle doesn't. We just totally forgot. But then I'm just gonna shake it up. Oh, whoops, I forgot to shake mine. It's probably fine. Crispy nuggets, I got grilled. I keep saying that. I have more points today. I haven't really ate. Okay. Yeah, me neither. Can I try it now? Oh my god, I just want it to be normal. I'm gonna try it with the pickle. I'm just gonna use my fingers for the second. Okay. Yeah, we only got one. We're going into the mall after this, but we need a snack after the gym. I can see why the mustard would be good though, like tangy. Nice fingers. You like that? Well, yeah, and they only gave us 1 fork, so I'm gonna try it in this sriracha. Sorry, you guys, I'm literally eating with my fingers. It's so gross. Don't worry, we sanitized. Yeah, the sriracha, did we? Yeah. Oh yeah, we did. Yeah. Sriracha. Oh yeah, this and barbecue, where it's at. Yeah, so if you don't like grilled nuggets, do you recommend it? Oh, for sure. Get the breaded ones. They're only 6 points, and then the barbecue is for 8 of them. 1 or 2. I don't know how much the normal barbecue is, but the honey one, the honey barbecue, whatever. This one. Yeah, just the normal barbecue is 2 points. Are you sure? Yeah, sure. That's yeah, and then I'm gonna put a little of sriracha in for 1 point. She says, "You sure?" Okay, I'm gonna drink. I'm not counting my diet lemonade because it used to be 0, and now it's like 2 or something. But we're gonna go shop till we drop. Just kidding. So we'll see you guys there. Body works. Yeah. Was so good. We walked around the track like 5 times, right? I don't know. Anyways, I'm dead. We're gonna walk now. Super excited. Now I have to catch up and she's running. This is so fun, Danielle. I love this gym. Look at this big bubble. Like, it literally looks like a stadium. Get it, girlfriend?
My boobs hurt. Get it, girl. You're gonna overlap me.